Welcome to this AutoDS tutorial for beginners. In this video, you'll learn how to use AutoDS with Shopify to automate your entire dropshipping business and actually start making consistent sales. If you're still stuck importing products one by one, manually placing orders, and constantly checking if items are in stock, you're burning hours every day on tasks that don't actually make you money. Most gurus will tell you that you just need to work harder and hustle through the work. But here's what 6- and 7-figure dropshippers actually do. They automate 90% of their business so they can spend all their time on what actually makes money: marketing and driving traffic. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step process to set up AutoDS with Shopify from scratch. We'll cover how to connect your store, import winning products in seconds, automate your entire order fulfillment, and never lose money on out-of-stock items again. By the end of this video, you will know everything you need to know to build a successful dropshipping business with AutoDS and Shopify, so make sure to watch this video until the end and don't skip any steps. Let's not waste any time and get straight into it. Normally, AutoDS gives you a 14-day trial for $1, but if you use my special link in the description, you'll get a 30-day extended trial. Click that link below to get started. When you land on the sign up page, enter your email, name and password and click join now. Now pick Shopify as the platform we want to sell on. It will then show the pricing plans. You can get the $1 30-day trial on any of them. I recommend the starter 500 plan because it unlocks AutoDS fulfillment, stock and price monitoring, and a ton more features that you'll need. Finally, enter your payment details and click continue. Now you'll see a welcome screen that lets you connect your Shopify store. They have an option for a pre-built store with AI, but I wouldn't use that because you'll just get the same looking store with the same products as everyone else. Instead, make sure you already have a Shopify account set up. If you don't, I'll put a link with another deal in the description for a 3-day free trial plus 3 months for just $1 per month. After creating your Shopify account, click I have a Shopify store connected to AutoDS. Click install, then confirm by clicking install again. And just like that, your AutoDS and Shopify accounts are now connected. This means every product you import through AutoDS will automatically sync to your Shopify store with all the right pricing, images, variants, and descriptions. No copy pasting, no manual work. Now here's where most dropshippers waste hours of their time, and I'm going to show you how to cut that down to 60 seconds. You'll be directed to the marketplace. This is AutoDS's handpicked product database. But here's the key. You need to filter smart, not browse randomly. First, click on Ships From at the top and select United States. Why? Because when you filter by US shipping, you'll find products that ship in 1 to 2 business days instead of 2 to 4 weeks from China. This is how you get 5-star reviews and beat customer expectations. Next, choose your niche. Don't build a general store. Build a branded store in one specific category. For this example, I'll click pets, then narrow it down to dogs. This is how you build a real brand instead of looking like a sketchy dropshipping store. Now sort by best sellers at the top. Let's say I want to sell this dog bed. Click on the product. You'll see all the details: shipping and processing time, product reviews and images. This one has 4.6 stars out of 5 with over 30,000 reviews. That's solid social proof. To import it, just click Import Draft. Now you may have a pop-up like this, but we'll configure these settings later in this video. Before we publish our first product, here's the secret that separates pros from amateurs: AI optimization. Click Drafts on the left sidebar. You'll see your product waiting. Click the drop-down arrow, then click Optimize Title with AI. Select title and description, make it sound sellable, set the temperature to balanced, and click AI Write. When you create your account, you get 30 free AI credits, so use them. This feature alone saves you 20 minutes per product. The AI rewrites your product title and description to actually convert customers instead of sounding like a boring AliExpress listing. Click Save, then scroll down, and if it's not on yet, turn on price and stock monitoring for this product. Finally, before publishing, we need to set a price. Click on Variants and open up a variant by clicking Edit. Here we have our pricing rules, which we can later customize, so right now it automatically calculates a sell price where we make 20% profit while having 3% fees. But I'll set the price for this product to $60. Click Save. Now we just have to click Import. After doing that, your product is live on your Shopify store with optimized copy, proper formatting, and all variants automatically imported. Let's take a look. On Shopify, go to Products. You should now see your product here with the correct title, pricing, and description. Now your first product is live, but here's the problem most beginners run into. They only use the marketplace and miss out on 80% of profitable products. Let me show you how to import from any supplier in 30 seconds. Click Add Products at the top, then Single Product. Let's import something from AliExpress. I'll grab this automatic dog feeder that's not heavily branded, copy the product link, go back to AutoDS and paste it in. AutoDS automatically detects it's from AliExpress and sets the correct warehouse region. Click Add as Draft. Again, here's the critical step most people skip. Scroll down to Monitoring and turn on Stock and Price Monitoring. This is a game changer. If your supplier runs out of stock, AutoDS automatically sets your inventory to 0 so you don't sell something you can't fulfill. And if the supplier raises their price, AutoDS updates yours so you don't lose money. After doing your AI optimizations, click Save and Import. Done. You've just imported your second product in under 60 seconds. This used to cost hours. Let me set expectations real quick because I don't want to sell you a dream. AutoDS automates your store, but it doesn't magically create sales. Realistically, you should have at least a few $100s for testing ads or traffic, and you probably won't find a winning product right away. The goal isn't to be profitable on day one, it's to find one product that shows signs of demand, then double down. Alright, so you've got products in your store. Now here's the part that trips up 90% of new dropshippers: order fulfillment. But with AutoDS, it's completely automated. When a customer places an order on your Shopify store, that order automatically appears in AutoDS under the Orders section on the left sidebar. Now here's what's powerful. AutoDS uses auto order credits to fulfill orders automatically. You get 5 free credits when you sign up. That's 5 orders fulfilled without you lifting a finger. After that, you can buy more credits for as low as 20 cents per order. When an order comes in, AutoDS automatically logs into your supplier account, whether it's Amazon, AliExpress, or whoever, and places the order using your connected payment method. It uses the customer's shipping address and boom, the product is on its way. But it doesn't stop there. AutoDS also automatically sends the tracking number back to Shopify, which triggers an email to your customer with their tracking info. You literally don't have to do anything. You wake up, check your phone, and see that orders were placed and shipped while you were sleeping. Next, we need to set up the back-end automations. Now I know this isn't as flashy as importing products, but this one step will save you from losing money on price changes and getting angry customers because items went out of stock. This takes 2 minutes and prevents dozens of hours of headaches. Go to Settings in the bottom left. First, you'll see all the suppliers that you are buying products from. For example, here I have AliExpress. Now you can set your settings for this supplier. For example, you have a default product quantity, shipping methods, and the monitoring settings. Now one of the most important and overlooked settings is pricing rules. Go to Pricing. Here set how much you want to make per sale. So for example, a minimum of 30% with a minimum profit per product of 10 euros. Click Save. Now in the Orders section, make sure that Fulfilled by AutoDS and Automatic Orders are turned on. Those are your supplier settings. Here's something wild that most people don't know. AutoDS can actually increase your prices automatically on bestsellers to find the optimal price point. While you sleep, it's testing and maximizing your profit margins. You can set all of this up in the Automation section. There are some more sections here, but we don't need to go over all of those in this video. One more thing I do recommend doing is going to Notifications and turning on the notifications for price and stock monitoring on a daily basis. Now here are 3 more tips that you need to know. Tip number 1. Use AutoDS suppliers for custom branding. Go back to the marketplace and filter by AutoDS suppliers under the supplier dropdown. These are vetted suppliers with faster shipping and the option to include custom thank you cards with your logo. This makes your store feel like a real brand instead of a dropshipping operation. Tip number 2, use the dashboard to track performance. Click Dashboard on the left. This shows your total orders, profit, revenue, and new products all in one place. The key metric to watch is your average profit per order. If it's below $15, you need higher ticket products or better upsells. Tip number 3, install the AutoDS Chrome extension. This lets you import products from any supplier website with one click. You're browsing Amazon, see a great product, click the AutoDS button, and it's imported. This is how you move fast and test products quickly. So now you've seen exactly how to connect AutoDS to Shopify, import products in seconds, automate your orders, and protect your profits with smart monitoring. You've also got a few pro tips to help you scale faster than the competition. If you want to try this for yourself, grab the extended 30-day trial with the link below and start automating your store today. Your next steps to success are importing 10 to 20 products in one niche, making your store look professional, and starting to run ads. Don't wait, use the 30-day trial to your advantage and start getting some sales in that time frame. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel.